Tell me, Basil, have you heard of My Book Qatar?
Yeah, I have heard about my Book Qatar.
Well, they have a new 2020 version of their app out. Once again, it's going to help you discover, explore, and save.
And do they have everything we need?
They do, and most importantly, at your right budget that's going to suit you. All right, I think I'm going to try it out. You keen for some breakfast?
Definitely.
You ready?
Yes,
Let's do it. Let's do it.
MyBook allows you to find participating vendors nearest to your location, no matter where you are. Thank you.
One of the great things about My Book is that no matter what your mood, you're going to find something on My Book to do.
I was really in the mood to play, and thanks for inviting, I ended up here and I really wanted to kick your butt, so yeah.
Big talk, big talk. But you know what? My Book becomes like a companion that you have to take everywhere
I agree.
with you.
I can't imagine not having my book anymore after using it for years.
All right, now stop stalling and take a shot.
Well, all right.
My God, there's so many food to choose from.
Listen, that's the great thing about My Book is it offers over 1,500 buy one get one free. So we can actually choose everything we want to and pay half.
Exactly. It's perfect for exploring restaurants around Doha, discovering more cuisines, and just sparks the foodie sense of adventure in me.
Exactly, and I think this is a good thing. Is you're going to try places you don't normally try just because you have My Book. That's a great travel companion.
Yeah.